Hello, instructions for presentation, Module A, homework assignment number 3, a fundraiser event. So go ahead and open the PowerPoint and you'll notice there are 9 slides and you can choose the design. I'm going to wait and change my design after, my design theme and variant. So I want a new slide after slide 5. So make slide 5 active and then choose new slide, and the one we're looking for is called section header. And then for the title, this will be fundraising, and then for the subtitle, it'll be past and future. Then we're going to go to slide 7, and we actually want to split this slide up. We want to have on slide 7 previous project, and then on slide 8 new project ideas. So what we'll do is we'll right click and select duplicate. So on slide 8 I want the bottom half, so I'm going to click and delete the top half, and then I will delete the previous project, and then I'll copy or just actually move the new project class to the title. It does have that extra enter, so I'm just going to click here, or I can click here and press delete, or here and backspace. So that's perfect for slide 8, and then slide 7 I'll get rid of the second half. So you split it, and that will not appear, so no worries there. So what we'll also do, notice there's a spelling error and it's on both of them. It actually occurs a couple other times, but we're going to fix it later. So back on slide 7, instead of having the traditional bullet list, let's go ahead and choose Convert to SmartArt. And I'm going to go to More SmartArt Graphics. And the one I want is under List, and it's called Trapezoid List. And you get an image of what it will look like here, and a brief summary of what this would be used for, to show grouped or related information of equal value. So I'll go ahead and click, and it only showed 3, but it put for all the bulleted items, all 5 of them. And then I will add color. And again, into the SmartArt styles, you can hover over and choose a 3D. And then on this one, you're just going to insert a picture that has to do with some type of fundraising project. So you can go directly here to stock images or pictures. So this first one, this icon here, is pictures that you have saved on your computer. But I'm going to go to stock images and select from here. I'll type in school or just fundraising, see what comes up. And I'll select one and insert. And again, this top part will not appear. Now if I want to, I can go ahead, if you have the designer, you can select from here, which is fine. Or I'm just going into picture format, and you can select a different style. That one. So then I'll go into slide 8, and the same thing. If I right click in the bulleted list, choose Convert to SmartArt. And in this one, I like this one here. It's called a basic matrix. And again, go ahead and change the color if you'd like. And maybe a 3D effect. And I'll get another picture. Maybe I'll type in computer class, see what comes up. And insert. And again, you can go into picture styles and select a different style if you'd like. So we have our 2 new slides. Slide 7 has the first half with a SmartArt effect and a picture, and slide 8 has the second half with a SmartArt and picture. And again, this where it says click to add text does not appear. It will not appear on the finished copy. So we're going to insert a new slide after slide 10. So on slide 10, go ahead and choose new slide. Choose the same one, section header. And for this one, it will be next meeting. And then add text will be July 15th, comma, space 2022. And what I'm going to do now is, and you'll see fundraising is in here a lot that's misspelled. So let's go to slide 1. And then we'll choose replace from the home tab. And I'm going to type fundraising. And I want to replace it with fund, F-U-N-D, raising. And notice I capitalized it. Go ahead and choose replace all. It should be 6 replacements. And OK. And then you can close out. So now there was 2 of them on 7 and 8. So you can check that. And you can see that they've been corrected. So what you can do next, in the directions, it has you select push and then choose from right, add the duration to 2 seconds, and then you would apply to all. It also has it automatically advanced to 3 seconds, to move every 3 seconds. You can do that as well, but you also have to make sure you click apply to all. So you can select any transition you'd like. You can apply it to all of them, or you can do different transitions for each slide. That's all up to you. The thing I didn't do at the beginning was to choose a design style or theme. And again, you can go ahead and select anything you'd like from your design library. If at any time you pick one and any of the placeholders are not in the right place or you can't read the text, you can just use your 4 arrows and move them over. So when you select a theme, you should always check to make sure that your text is visible with the new slide design that you selected. So feel free to add your creative personality here with your design, variants, and transitions, and anything that you want to add to any of the pictures for the picture format. And that's a save and submit. Thank you.